Hallo liebe Freunde, hier ist der FBF-Fan mit der IFBB Pro Cathy Lefrançois hier am Stand. Hi, this is Cathy Lefrançois from Canada, sorry. IFBB Pro.
I live in Los Angeles.
Ah, she lives in Los Angeles, also lives in Los Angeles. Cathy, how do you like this atmosphere here at the FIBO? You was the first time here, right?
Yeah, it's my first time and it's different. It's very incredible. People here are really, really nice, and I think it's a kind of like it's always a good thing I came do the show because people never saw me before. They saw me in a magazine, but never in person. So it's like I'm giving them a big present, you know. So I'm really happy. I'm doing something good here.
You can see I'm flattered that you are here in Germany and I see you first live. Tomorrow is the show. The preliminaries are tomorrow morning and then it's final. Is this okay for you?
The show is at 10:30 in the morning, the prejudging, and the night it's 8 o'clock. You know, I didn't want to stress myself with this show. I don't stress myself anymore. It's been 22 years I compete, so I try to enjoy every time I do a show. I enjoy when I'm on stage. I enjoy the fan, and they're there for me to support me, and that's what made me a winner.
It's not. Cathy, you are busy in the business since many years.
Yeah, 22 years.
22 years, yeah. You hit.
I just turned 40 years old last February. Yeah. So it's like I realized that I was there for a long time. I'm one of the girls that did the most bodybuilding show on stage right now. After this year, I think I have over 38 or 40 right now. So show I did.
It's good. What do you see? So, how do you see your chances for this contest tomorrow?
Of course, everybody want to win. That would be great to be a winner because that's my first time here, and people want it. You know, that's why, you know, it's like I always want to do what my fan want, and if I can realize their dream too, and my dream, to be the first place, that would be awesome. You know, I don't know anybody here on stage, you know, but I know they're going to be in shape too, you know. So I'm going to do my best. Anyway, I'm going to focus on myself and take the stage like it's mine.
Thank you. May I ask you, normally you don't have to ask this woman, but what is your weight at the moment?
My age?
Weight.
My weight?
Weight.
I think I'm 140 pounds. I don't know how it is in kilo. I think it's 140. It's the same weight that I always have for the last year.
As you see, you have a wonderful shape for today. But in the middle, you are a little bit of the smaller ones. You can see you have Scotty Fry is more massive, and we have Daniela Sell from Switzerland and Roberta Tuo are always really massive girls.
Yeah.
Do you see any chance with your great definition, or what do you see your advantages?
You know, I always compete, you know, the best I can, you know, and, you know, I don't really expecting anything, you know, like I'm not looking at older, if they're bigger or smaller or anything. I focus on myself, and you know, I'm gonna show what I have at the moment. If I'm leaner, good. If I'm bigger, good. Right now, I think I'm a little bit fuller than I always been. So I like the way I look. I look really healthy. It's gonna be different than older. I'm unique and I want to stay that way, so that's the difference with older. I'm the smaller one anyway on the Olympia stage, on the Arnold Classic stage. I'm 20 pounds less than everybody, but I still be able to take my place.
That's good, thank you. Cathy, last question for you, if may I ask it. I forgot my question. I'm so flattered you're here in Germany. Kathy, do you plan? You have the chance to qualify and the other competitions too. Do you compete in the Miss Olympia this year or want to?
Yes, I'm qualified already. I'm doing all the other show because I was coming here to work, and I said why not do FIBO to support my fan. And I'm gonna do Toronto, Canada, where I'm from.
Yeah.
So again, I'm gonna have the opportunity to have my friend, my family to see me when they never saw me before.
Okay.
And Olympia.
One other question I have is always been around the forums, MD and so on, about this new women's physique class. You know?
I don't know. I don't want to talk about this. Like I said, I stayed in the world. I'm doing my thing. I'm 40 and I'm not going to start to, go in the...
Size down?
No, size down. I did it and figure, and it's not my thing. And, I'm getting too old for that stuff, I got to stay where I'm doing good, So I'm on the peak of my career right now, and right now I got to think of my future, and that's what I do,
So another lady doing bodybuilding, not anything else. Thank you very much, Kathy.
Thank you.
I very appreciate that, and very good luck for the competition tomorrow.